Hi, this is Mary with Guaranty RV. What we're going to be looking at today is the Coachmen Apex Nano. So come on inside. We've got a really nice layout here, a nice floor plan for a smaller unit. This easily makes out into a bed, and so you can fit 2 little kids here. And you've got pretty nice countertop here with a range, and then you've got your refrigerator and your freezer here. This is actually a really good amount of storage space right here for a small size kitchen, for a pantry there. And then I'll let you look inside here. You've got your bathroom with all the things that you need in there. Shower, toilet, really good sized closet to the right here. This opens out, makes a lot of space there. So you can put almost all the gear that you would need for a couple people in that unit. So then your bed is over here. One through there. Then you've got these kind of like stained glass windows up here. Makes it a little bit more classy here. Then you've got some storage on the side with both wardrobe storage on the side there. Then this really is a good trailer for, you know, if you just want to go out and have a little adventure with your husband, or just even a small family. So please give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. Thanks.